again. So guys, in this video we will see how to connect your strip to the Google AI Studio. So guys, if you want to connect your strip with the Google AI Studio, so guys, it is very simple. First of all, open your Google AI Studio. Google AI Studio. Okay. Second, you open the strip. And guys, please logged in both of your website. Okay. So I'm already logged in, so that's why it shows the dashboard. When you are logged in completely, so guys, we have two type of API keys that we are using. First one is test. So we are using it for under development. When you want to live and you are on live, then guys, you use the live APIs. So initially here you see this is the prefix that show test, so it's mean that we are using the test API. When you complete your setup and your business and you submit all the documents, and then company like strip verified you. When you are completely verified and everything is okay, then company send you the live link. So you just use the API keys and you start your payment gateway. Now here you see that I am Google AI Studio Code. Here I am go for choosing my project. So just click the option of get started. So I'm created one application, so I'm just go there and simply search my app and go and close this and open this. Okay, now to no use any third-party application. Just type I want to connect to strip for payments simply and send it. Okay, now it start processing and take few time to connect your stream and writing the page of payment. Okay, after that it asks you to the secret key and the public key. You just enter and you just enjoy. So let's see how much time it take. It asks your strip publishable key and your strip secret key. So you simply go here and go for the main menu, and guys, here is your publish key and your secret key. You just click here, put it here, paste it, and guys, same is for this one. Okay, now you just click the option of apply and your payment gateway is ready. So this is the way that you can done. So guys, thank you and have a nice day, and guys, subscribe our YouTube channel for the further informations.